Hello everyone. So we are discussing this chapter linear inequality, and we already completed up to this exercise 6.2, that is the graphical solution of this linear inequality of two variables. So today we will solve the solution of this system of linear inequalities of two variables. That is this exercise 6.3. Okay, so for two variable linear inequality, you can find a particular region as a solution. So the common region between the given inequalities, the given system of inequalities, will be the solution region for the system of linear inequality. So let's take this exercise 6.3, the question number 1. X greater than equal to 3 and y greater than equal to 2. Now, first of all, consider the equations, that is x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. And draw the line, take x-axis, y-axis, and draw these two lines, x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Now, x greater than 3, that will represent the right-hand side of the line x equals to 3, definitely including the line, since greater than equal sign is there. Okay, you can remember as greater than means always right hand side or the upper half, and less than sign means left hand side or the lower portion or the below portion of the line. Otherwise, you can put 0, 0, that is the origin. If it is satisfying this, the point origin, satisfying this inequality, then the region towards the origin. And if it is not satisfying this inequality, then it is this opposite side of this origin. Okay, so look at here, x greater than equal to 3. So that is represented by this region. Okay, now y greater than equal to 2. So if you take this line y is equals to 2, and if you mark the region y greater than equal to 2, so it will look like that. That is the upper half or of this line y equals to 2, and definitely including the line, since greater than equal sign is there. Now look at here, this two different shade you can find for two different inequalities. Now their common region is this. So this common region is the solution for this given system of linear equation. So you can write down the solution of the given system of linear inequalities is represented by the common shaded region. Okay, you can take the different shade and you can write the common shaded portion, or if you can directly write down, directly you can mark the region, that is this region, without shading it. So you can also write down that the shaded portion is the solution region for the system of linear inequalities. So moving to the next question, question number 2. So look at here, three inequalities are given there. 3x plus 2y less than equals to 12, and x greater than equal to 1, y greater than equal to 2. So first of all, consider the equations, that is x equals to 1, y equals to 2, and 3x plus 2y equals to 12. So for x equals to 1, if you take this inequality, so that will represent, since greater than sign, greater than equal to sign is there, so it will take the right hand side of the line x equals to 1. Now if we mark the region, so it will look like that. This means this region is the solution for this inequality, x greater than equal to 1. Now take another inequality, y greater than equal to 2. So first of all, draw the line y equal to 2 and y greater than equal to 2, that will represent the upper half of the line y equals to 2. Clear? You can check by this shorter method, that is greater than means upper half or the right hand half, or you can put the origin 0, 0, and you can check is satisfying the inequality, the origin, or not. So if you put 0 here, so 0 greater than equal to 2, which is not satisfying the inequality. Okay, so next is 3x plus 2y equals to 12. Now you all know that this representation of any equation of straight line in the form of intercept form. So this is 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. This is the equation. So if we can write this thing as 3x upon 12 plus 2y upon 12 is equals to 1. And this thing we can write again, x upon 4 plus y upon 6 is equals to 1. So the x-intercept is 4, 0 and y-intercept is 0, 6. So mark these 2 points on the x-axis and the y-axis, that is 4, 0 and 0, 6, and simply join them, and that will be the line represented by 3x plus 2y equals to 12. No need to take 3 points over there and draw the line. Just find the intercept form, take 2 points on the axes and just join them. Okay, now look at here. If we're going to talking about the region covered by this inequality, 3x plus 2y less than equals to 12, less than sign means left hand side or the lower portion, so it will represent this portion. Okay, so if we want to find the common region, you can differently shade it and you can identify the common region. So the common region should be this portion, this triangle. If we mark it ABC, this triangle ABC is the common shaded region. So you can write down, you can differently shade it and you can write down the common shaded portion is the solution of the given system of linear inequalities. Or another thing you can do that without making so hazy picture, just shade the common shaded portion, that is the solution region. Okay, just mark the region first like this and just shade the common shaded portion and write down the shaded portion is the solution region for the given system of linear inequalities. Okay. So moving to the next question, question number 5. Question number 3 and 4, we solve it. They are very easy. So question number 5. Question number 5 is also very easy. So 2x minus y equals to 1. First of all, consider the equations for this given two inequalities. So first equation is 2x minus y equals to 1. Now, if we want to represent this one as the intercept form, so we can write this thing as x upon half plus y upon minus 1 equals to 1. Now, draw the line, that is the point on the x-axis is half, 0, and the point on y-axis is 0, minus 1. So this red line represented the equation 1. Now take the second equation, that is x minus 2y less than equals to 1 minus 1, that is x minus 2y equals to minus 1. Now represent this one again into intercept form. So you will find this is x by minus 1 plus y by half equals to 1. So just mark the point on the x-axis minus 1, 0, and the y-axis it is 0, half, and join them. So this green line represented this line, that is the equation number 2. Now let's talk about the region covered by these two inequalities. So let's talk about the first inequality, 2x minus y greater than 1. Greater than means always the right hand portion or the upper half. So if we will consider the right hand portion of this given red line, definitely not including the line, since this is greater than sign is there, not greater than equal to. Okay, so except the line, we will consider the region right hand side of this line. Okay, so use dotted line when the greater than or less than sign is given there. Okay, so dotted line and this region represented by this red color shade, it is the region covered by this inequality 2x minus y greater than 1. Now let's talk about the second one, x minus 2y less than minus 1. So if we are talking about this inequality, definitely not including the line, it will take, since less than sign is there, so it will be the upper, this left hand side or the below portion. So if we will take the left hand side of the line, so it will represent it by this region. Okay, so these are two different shades defining two different inequalities. Now the common shade that is the common shaded portion is this. So this common shaded portion is the solution region for this given system of linear inequalities. Clear? How to find the solution for this linear system of a system of linear inequalities. So moving to the next question, question number 6. Now this is very interesting. Inequalities are given and the common shaded portion also looks different. So in previously you can find a common point between these two lines. Here you will find two lines are parallel to each other. So let's first of all consider the equation, that is x plus y equals to 6, and if we want to write the intercept form, that is x upon 6 plus y upon 6 equals to 1. And first of all draw the line. So look at here, 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. So just put the point and draw the line. You can you don't need to use graph pages, just use pencil and scale, that's enough, and mark these points 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 in the same distance, and then just mark the points and join them and draw these lines. Now nextly, x plus y equals to 4. So its intercept form given by x upon 4 plus y upon 4 equals to 1. So take the point 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4 like here, and draw the line. So this blue line represents the second equation and the red line represents the first equation. Now let's talk about the region. X plus y less than equal to 6. Less than means below portion or the left hand side. So the left hand side of this red line, definitely including the line since less than equal sign is there. So mark the region first. And then x plus y greater than equal to 4. That is the right hand side of the line, that is the blue line, definitely including the line, and mark the region like this. Okay. Now look at here, the common shaded portion is this portion, right? Where you can find the blue and red, both the lines. So this common shaded portion is the solution region for this given system of linear inequalities. Clear? So write down the answer, that is the solution is this. Now moving to the next one, question number 8. Now x plus y less than equal to 9, y greater than x, and x greater than equal to 0. So first of all consider the equations, x plus y equals to 9. Now if we want to write down its intercept form, so x upon 9, y upon 9 equals to 1. So first of all draw the line, take the point 9 comma 0 and 0 comma 9 and join them. Okay. Now x equals to y. So this will passing through the origin. This is the point. This is this is the line. X equals to y. You can take 3 points for this line. You can take for x equals to 1, y equals to 1, x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 1. So you can take 3 points and then you can draw the line. Now next is x equals to 0, that is the y axis. You can also mark it, or you can take as the positive side of the x axis. So now let's talk about the region x plus y less than equals to 9. So it's represent the region, that is the lower portion or the left hand side of the line x plus y equals to 9. Definitely including the line since less than equal sign is there. Okay. And if we want to mark it, so it will look like this one. Clear? Now y greater than x, so it will represent this upper half or the left hand side upper portion of this line. Okay. Now x equals to 0 or x greater than equals to 0, that means it will represent this portion, means all this positive for x, positive numbers for x, it will represent this right hand side of this y-axis. Okay, definitely including in 3 cases, only this case, not including this line, use dotted line here. Okay, and otherwise all these 2 cases including the line x equals to 0 and x plus y equals to 9. Now we need to find the common shaded portion for this given system of linear inequalities. So just draw the lines and mark the region like that. That is given here. You can check this green lines and the blue lines represented by x greater than equal to 0, and the red is x plus y less than equal to 9, and the green is y greater than x. Okay. Now the common shaded portion, where you can find the red, green and blue, 3 colors. That means this portion, right? You can write down that common shaded portion is the solution region for the given system of linear inequalities. Or you can do one thing, that you can just only mark the shaded portion. That is the solution region. You can just only shade the solution region and you can write the shaded portion is the solution region. Whatever is easier for you, do this. Okay. You can choose this option also, or you can choose this option also. Which is more comfortable for you, choose this portion. So moving to the next one. So 3x plus 4y less than equals to 60. So first of all, consider the equations. That is 3x plus 4y equals to 60. So let's find the intercept form. So x upon 20 plus y upon 15 equals to 1. So mark the point, that is 20 comma 0 and 0 comma 15, and join them. Okay. Now x plus 3y equals to 30. So write down its intercept form, that is x upon 30 plus y upon 10 equals to 1. Mark it and draw it. So this red line is equation number 2. Next. So 3x plus 4y less than equals to 60. Less than means left hand side or the lower portion. So mark the region, that is 3x plus 4y. This below the line 3x plus 4y. Definitely including the line since less than equal sign is there. Okay, so if we want to mark it, so it will look like that. Now, next, x plus 3y, that is represent again less than equal sign is there. So this portion, so write it down, the below portion or the below the line x plus 3y equals to 30. Now, x greater than 0, y greater than equal to 0. That means we need to choose the first coordinate. That is the common region. Definitely we need to choose the common region for the given inequalities in the first coordinate. So this is the portion, this is the common region, right? Common region in the first coordinate. Actually this total portion is the common region, but we just need this first coordinate, that is this A, B, C, D, A, this diagram. Okay, so write it down. The shaded portion is the solution of the system of linear inequalities, the given system of linear inequalities. Okay. So moving next question is question number 11. 2x plus y greater than equal to 4, x plus y less than equal to 3, and 2x minus 3y less than equal to 6. So 3 inequalities are there. So first of all, consider the equations. So 2x plus y equals to 4. So find its intercept form, that is x by 2 plus y by 4 equals to 1. Draw the line. Next is x plus y equals to 3. That means the intercept form is x by 3 plus y by 3 equals to 1. So take the point 3 and draw the line. That is 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. These 2 points and draw the line. Next is 2x minus 3y equals to 6. That is x by 3 plus y by minus 2 equals to 1. Take the point, that is 3 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 2, and draw the line. Okay, now let's talk about the region. 2x plus y greater than equal to 4. Greater than means always the right hand side or the upper portion. So if we want to mark the region, so it will look like this. Okay, so the right hand side or the above portion of this line, 2x plus y equals to 4. Next, x plus y less than equals to 3. Less than means always this lower portion or the left hand side. Okay, so the below portion x of this line, definitely including the line x plus y equals to 3. So the next one is 2x minus 3y less than equals to 6. So now if we put 0, 0 here, so 0 less than equals to 6, which is satisfying the inequality. So that means it will be the upper half or the left hand side of this line, 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Okay. Now you need to find the common region. So if you are marking that the point A, B, C, where the lines cutting each other, so this total region, the shaded region or the colored region is the solution region for the given system of linear inequalities. Okay, so write down the answer. That is the solution of this given system of linear inequalities is represented by the shaded portion or the shaded region, whatever you can write, or you can shade in different shade and then you can find the common portion. Always don't always use this lines, different types of lines, horizontal lines, curved lines to represent the region. Okay. So moving to the next one, that is the question number 13. 4x plus 3y less than equals to 60, y greater than equal to 2x, x greater than equal to 3, and x comma y greater than equal to 0. That is, whatever region we need to find, it should be in the first coordinate. Only the first coordinate we need to find the region in the first coordinate. Okay. So first of all, consider the equation 4x plus 3y equals to 60. So its intercept form is given by x upon 15 plus y upon 20 equals to 1. So this 4x plus 3y less than equals to 60, that will represent, since less than sign is there, that is the left hand side or the below portion of the line, definitely including the line. So if we draw the figure or draw the region, it will look like that. So this blue region represented by this inequality 4x plus 3y less than equals to 60. Okay. Now next is y greater than equal to 2x. Or if we consider the equation, it is y equals to 2x. Okay, you can choose the points, 3 points on this line. That is, if x equals to 1, y equals to 2, x equals to 2, you can write it x equals to 1, then y is equals to 2, x equals to 0, y is equals to 0, and x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 2. Okay, take these 3 points and join them, and so represent this area like this. So the left hand side of this, don't write the above of the line, write left hand side, left side of the line, 2x equals to y. Okay, definitely including it. Use greater than equal sign there. Next is x equals to 3. So first of all, draw this line and then x greater than equal to 3. That means this portion is represented by this inequality, right hand side of this line x equals to 3. Right? Now look at the common shaded portion. This portion, this triangle, you can find here. You can name it. Name A, B, C. So this triangle is the common shaded portion of this given inequalities. Since we need to find in the first coordinate, so just write down the common shaded portion is the solution for this given system of linear inequalities. Clear? Either you can use the shaded one, or you can just mark the solution region and you can write the shaded portion is the solution region for this given system of linear inequalities. Okay, so moving to the next one. 3x plus 2y less than equals to 150. So first of all, consider the equations. 3x plus 2y is equals to 150, and so x by 50 plus y by 75 equals to 1, and mark the region. Okay, take the points and mark the region. So it is left hand side or the below portion of this line, 3x plus 2y equals to 150, and including the line. Next is x plus 4y equals to 80. So x upon 80 plus y upon 20 equals to 1. Definitely mark the line first and then shed the region, or mark the region as you wish, that is the below or below portion of this line, x plus 4y equals to 80. Now x equals to 15. Again, less than equal sign is there. So that means left hand side of this line, x equals to 15, definitely including the portion, including the line x equals to 15. So this common shaded portion, look at here, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. That is in the first coordinate. So in the first coordinate, we will consider the region. Not this region we will consider in the second or third or fourth coordinate, only the first coordinate. Okay. So hence the solution of this given system of linear inequalities given by the common shaded region in the first coordinate. Okay, right in the first coordinate. In the first coordinate. You can shed it differently and you can mark the common shaded portion in the first coordinate, or you can just only shed the region, that is this A, B, C, D, A, this region. Okay. So just try to solve the sums in this exercise 6.3, and if any problem or any queries are there, you're free to ask. Thank you.